Yo, what's going on, man? We back up in here with another one of them things, man. Today is day 3 of being snowed in, so we gotta do something. So what I came up with in my head, and I don't even know why this popped in my head, but I was like, man, I'm gonna do something. I need to do something. And reverse lights popped in my head. Now it's cold in this garage. This is all I got on, but I'm gonna walk out here, show y'all real quick what I'm talking about. Well, I can't because I ain't got the battery hooked up, but yeah. So, as y'all know, I got the B&M Mega Shifter, right? So when I put that shifter in, my reverse lights went away. I no longer have access to when I put my car in reverse, the reverse lights come on. No longer. And that's because I need my light. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all now. I'm gonna show you. That's because there are switches that come with the shifter for your neutral safety and your reverse lights, which are, let me see if I'm looking at the right thing, which are those switches right here. Zoom y'all in a little bit. Let me see if I can zoom y'all in. Those switches right there. Okay? The one on the bottom is the neutral safety. The one on the top is the reverse lights. I didn't hook those contacts up because I didn't know how that worked and all that. So now we snowed in and I'm finding stuff to do. I went out to, well, like I said, I had in my mind, like, man, I want my reverse lights to work. So got out here. I went out to the storage, got out my instructions, got my, I'm trying to worry about this empty Hennessy bottle. We was using it. Got my hardware, my instructions and everything. And turns out, and I was like, man, maybe I need to walk up to the store to get blade terminals. Well, they had those already in here. Never noticed it. Or maybe I did and just didn't want to deal with it because of the wiring or whatever. But they already got the blade terminals in there. So what I gotta do is tap into whatever my reverse lights is on wherever my reverse lights is on the steering column. Or maybe that's still not gonna work like that though. Huh. Well, yeah, it'll work like that because it's gonna be contact. It's gonna act the shifter gonna activate the switch, which is gonna go to the reverse light wires, and that's what's gonna make the reverse lights come on. Well, yeah, I had to go to the storage and get my box, and this is the 80690 B&M Mega Shifter. Let me see. I think I didn't get it from there, but hold on a second. Let me check this out real quick. Hold on, I'll be right back. Yeah, 80690 Mega Shifter automatic transmission shifter. It's a B&M. It will be linked in the description, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all go ahead and y'all making these bills, y'all looking for a shifter, man. I ain't had no problem with the shifter. The only thing that's going on with the shifter right now is I went out here to try. Did I leave my light out here? I think I did. I hope I did, because I don't want to make too many trips in and out this house without my jumpsuit on. I leave my light? Yeah. The only problems that I just now seen, now this shifter been in here since I've been riding, right? The only thing that I got a problem with, that, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna zoom y'all back in. Oh, zoom y'all back in. Can y'all can't see it. I wish I could. Y'all see? Nope, y'all can't see it. Y'all can't see it. Anyway, I'm gonna put my hand on it. As soon as I move this out the way. Move it out the way. Okay. I'm gonna put. Y'all can see it. Okay, so put the light right there. As y'all can see, this top one is on this little bump right here, right? The top one is on the bump. And the bottom one is not on the bump. The bottom one is not on the bump at all. It's not supposed to be like that. They're supposed to be bent up. This one is supposed to be on the bump where this one is. This bump down here, y'all probably didn't see none of it. This bump right here is the reverse light bump. This bigger bump right here is the neutral safety switch. That one down there is the neutral safety switch. This one is the reverse switch. It's supposed to be on this bump, on the top of it, and it's on the bottom bump. So I need to take these switches off and bend this up, bend the this bracket that it hooks to the here we go, the bracket that bends to this, that attaches the switches. I need to bend it up a little bit so that this one can be on the reverse light bump. And that's what I'm gonna do today. Yep, gotta get some work in. So let me go ahead. It took me a little while to figure that out. I was looking at it like, man, something ain't right. It took me a little while to figure it out, but I figured it out. So let me go ahead, get jumpsuit ready, go out there, take these switches off, and once I take the switches off, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything lined up. Hey, I'm still zooming in. Once I get the switches off, get everything lined up the way it need to be. So let me go and do that. Hit y'all when I get out there. Well, when I get the switches off. Yeah, when I get the switches off. Alright, y'all. So I had to go and get, what's the correct term for these? Okay, quick splices. Okay. Had to go and get some of those. So I showed y'all that on there. So let me I ain't bent that yet. I ain't bent the contacts on that yet. But I got some wire. So the colors for the wire are pink and green. And it's under here on that plug on the steering column. So let me, hold on. And the plug is like a little, I guess it's like a little horseshoe. I can't really see it, but it's on the plug on the steering column. And I don't know if this camera gonna have y'all flipped all upside down and things like that, but if you look right here, you see it's this pink and green wire right here that's together. I think that's the reverse wire. The green wire is the reverse wire. The pink is the constant power, I think. Whatever, however it is. Constant power, switch power, I don't know. That green one right there, I don't know what that one is. That's not it. But these two right here, that's together. Because this green one that I got looped right here, it's in a separate plug by itself. I don't know if you can see up there. It's a black plug right there. That's what the green wire is. It's in there by itself. The green and the pink, they have to be together for this to work. So, and this is on a 94 Caprice. I don't know what other cars this is wired like that on, but well, I'm sure the Roadmasters and the Fleetwoods and Impalas and all that right there, like all the you know what I'm saying, newer model V bodies. It's like that. I'm not sure about the box Chevy, but yeah. So I'm about to get in here and put the quick splices on those two, put a wire on it, and then I'm gonna run the wire under the carpet back to my gear shifter. And man, I don't even know if y'all was looking at me when I said that. I run a wire back to my gear shifter after I put the quick splices on there, and then I gotta take those connections off because I gotta bend that metal piece up so the contacts will line up. And yeah, that'll be it. So let me do that and hit y'all back in a second. All right, so we got these lined up. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit for you. Can you see it? These. You probably can't hear it, but if I put it in reverse, you should hear a small click. There's reverse, and this one went out of the neutral safety. Then I put in neutral. Those 2 clicks. That means it wasn't in reverse no more, and now the neutral is the neutral switch will be activated if I was using a neutral switch, and I'm not. So yeah, so got that lined up. Hopefully I don't have that problem with that that bending again or whatever. I don't know why they did that. Maybe it came preset like that or something, I don't know. But now I'm finna try to go ahead and quick splice on them wires up there and run the wire back down through the carpet back to my shifter so I can put the ends on it. And yeah, so let me try to do that. I need to try to run these wires first before I do that. Run them up through there, then I'm gonna try to do that. Run the wires up through there first, and then come back and crimp everything and put them in the put them where they need to be. So let me try to do that. And yeah, y'all know how I go. Hit y'all in a second. All right, so we got the wires ran. I ain't finna get back up on there and show y'all how this it's spliced in there. Well, let me see. Can I see it? Yep, these two right here. That pink is on the red. That dark green is on the green right there. Can y'all see that? I probably can't. Like it's kind of blurry, but yeah, those are there. Got it ran behind the carpet, and then it comes out right here. These blade connectors, and you put them on these connections right here. Now I'm not sure which connection goes to what. I don't think it matters. In all the videos that I've seen, they said they don't think that it matters. So I'm gonna see if they work. So I'm gonna put this one right here. Let me see if I can get that there with one hand. Yep. And put this one here. Now, see if they work. Get a custom power. And see if they come on. If not, then I'm gonna try to switch them around to see if it works. I already see a potential problem. Y'all see that wire done shot over there up in the shifter. Pull that out. Stick that up on the carpet. Cause I don't need to be crushing no wires. Now look at that. All gone. All cleaned up. Looks neat. Let's put some power to this thing and see what we got. Yeah, let's see if I tapped into the right wire. Cause yeah. Let's see. Y'all gonna see before me. Nope. No reverse lights on. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if I got them. Nope. That ain't do it. So let's see. I'm turn around. Hold on. Well, no reverse lights, y'all. I don't know what it is. Might have to go and do a little more research. I ain't really messed up about it. It's just something I wanted to do. That's just a feature I want to have. You know what I'm saying? Just a feature I wanted to have. Something I thought about and thought I could do it. But I have to figure this out, cause I have to figure this out later. Just do a little more research, see what it is. Just making them not come off. Like I said, maybe that wasn't even a wire that I was supposed to tap into. I don't know, but yeah, I'll figure it out. It's not a necessity. It was just something to do while I was at the house bored, while I'm snowed in. So, yeah. I gotta get somebody to come look at this steering column. I know I've been saying that, but I definitely gotta get somebody to come look at not come look at it, to come and fix it, because it needs fixing. But yeah, I don't know, but it'll get figured out. I ain't worried about it. It's a lot of more stuff on here that needs to get figured out. I got it. What is that over there? It'll get figured out. I have reverse lights one day. I have reverse lights one day. I'm gonna take it to that guy, man. That with that blue long wheelbase that do the wiring. I'm gonna take it to him and let him figure out, you know what I'm saying, my wiring or whatever. Like what's what. And yeah. Because I know he finna be like, man, what in the fuck did you do? He'll probably change a lot of this shit for me and have it ran better, cause I don't know nothing about no damn wiring. I was just going out what was the easiest way to do things. So he'll probably look at it and be like, oh, okay, yeah, you could have put this here and this here and this here and this here and did this right here and all that right there, and yeah, okay, everything cool now. Cause I don't know nothing about this shit. But yeah. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead, man, get up out of here. My feet getting cold in the garage now. I was hoping I was gonna have some reverse lights for y'all, hoping I had a success story, but I did. And that's how it is sometimes. Sometimes you don't have a success story, so especially with these cars. But you just keep trying. You don't give up on it though. You know what I'm saying? You keep going until you get it figured out. So that being said, I'm gonna let somebody else figure it out. And yeah. Cause I mean Jazz might be able to do it. I don't know. But it's your dog, man. Big B-Lo, Mr. Ain't a Man himself. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.